Hey y'all, in this video we're going to watch a time lapse of me painting this, and I'm going to talk to you about my creative community. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm glad you're here. If you're not new here, I'm glad you're back. Today we're going to watch a time-lapse video of me painting this interior here. And this month, right now it's August of 2023, this month in my creative community we're going to be playing with, painting, experimenting, just doing some interior type things. So maybe some things like this, some things like the one that you're going to watch in the time lapse too. And I've been playing around with patterns for quite a while now using my iPad and Procreate. And so we're also going to do some pattern work in there. But I just thought that it might be something that you would be interested in joining us for. If you want to learn more about my creative community, you can look down below in the description. It's a group. I have a group that's on Facebook where you can come in and talk to each other. But we also have a full library on my website. So it's hosted on my website. And you can access hundreds and hundreds of videos that I've already created. We're talking like 450 tutorials. Some are about painting, some are about online business, all the things. If you're interested, look down below. But let's get into the time lapse now. If you'd like to paint along with me, right now I'm offering a 7-day free trial of my creative community. You can join today and have 7 days to look around, see what you think, and you won't be billed for your first month until after that 7-day period. Also, something very exciting is going to come to my YouTube channel very soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.